We have some news right now. If you want to know what was happening at Mar-a-Lago today, there was a dedication by evangelical Christian leaders of a giant gold statue of Donald Trump at Mar-a-Lago. They were blessing and dedicating this new statue of the President of the United States. It appears to be in all gold. This is what the religious leaders at Mar-a-Lago in South Florida were up to today. This video was obtained by Christopher Hale, who does fantastic work. So yeah, let me know what you think. It's just another statue. He has another one, by the way, in South Florida at his Doral Country Club as well. So this is the second statue he has now built. It's kind of North Korea style, is what a lot of people have pointed out. And it's even a little odder given the fact that you have religious leaders literally blessing it in real time. So as always, spread the word and follow along, stay up to date on all the news you need to know about. I'll have more updates for you soon.